Hello, ciao everybody, how are you? I hope you are having a great day. Welcome back to my channel, Makeup and Beauty Talks with Marta. Today we are gonna do this eye makeup look. This is really gone viral on TikTok, is what they call the reverse cat eye. I have taken a little bit of the technique from some other YouTubers, but mainly I want to thank Bailey B, because my main inspiration was watching her videos. So thank you so much, Bailey, for sharing. Now this is gonna be a super fast, super quick and easy reverse cat eye. You will need three main tools to achieve this. You will need one shadow, and I use basically my contour shadow. You will need one pencil, black pencil, one super small brush, and obviously the fluffy brush for the shadow, and then one other eyeshadow, a black one. That's the one that I used, and that's it. It's gonna be really nice for a night out, if you feel comfortable, even the day. I wearing during the day with no problem at all. And that's it. Keep watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about it, and I see you in a second. Okay, so we are ready and we can start straight away with the tutorial. First of all, we are gonna go into the eye with just our contour shade. This one is the one from the Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna just go with a really fluffy brush. This is the number 10 from Smashbox, and I'm gonna just go and trace basically my the socket of the eyelid. I just want to create some depth in the eyelid. This is up to you. You can even skip this part, as this is not like, as I saw, like, it depends a lot on the shape of your eyes, if they are big, if they are close, if you want to create that shade or not. So I like it. I like to create anyway some transition and a little bit of shading and depth into my socket. Now we are starting, and we are starting to go with our eye pencil. The one that I will use is the 24/7 from Urban Decay in Legend, and I am just going into the whole internal waterline all way, and then I will start to create my reverse cat eye. So I will start to create some shadow on the eye corner, only on the external outer third, so here, not more. And then I will go with my brush that I will use today, is the number 3 from Natasha Denona, and I will start basically to smudge what is the pencil under my waterline, and slowly, while you smudge, you will bring it out. And you start to create your line just on the outside. I will add more, and I go back with my brush. You can use also, for example, an angle brush like the one that you use for your eyebrow, if you find it that you know that you like it more, and then if it's that what you have. Any small brush will work. And I just want to create that smudge under the waterline. And I will just extend it. You can go as far as you want extending this. With my eye pencil, I will go just a little bit on the top as well, just to deposit a little bit more. Sorry, I just want to get you a little bit closer, okay? So you don't have to be super precise here because we will smudge here as well. Just go back. Basically what we want here, we want to get those two lines together, and we want to smudge the top line. It is important that you don't, well, it depends if you like it or not, but I don't like to overdo the top because I am overdoing, let's call it this way, the bottom, right? That's what I'm doing. Going back and forward, going back and forward, and slowly I will push it a little bit more towards the center of my eye on the top. And that's basically, that's it. For me, I just want to pick a little bit more, so I will go with my small brush on top of the eye pencil, and I just go again on the top wing, because now we can say that's a wing, and I will create. What I mean is that now they are joined. What we are gonna do then? We use a black shadow. Any black shadow that you have will do. I'm gonna use this one from the Pat McGrath, and this is the black that I'm gonna use. This is from the Subversive palette. I actually have one of my tutorial is actually using this palette, so if you are curious, please feel free to go and check that out. I will link the tutorial in the info box. Now what I'm gonna do, basically I'm just taking the shadow and I am gonna place it on top of what I have done already with the eyeliner. And it's really important that we try to close and to fill, sorry, not close, but to fill the gaps that maybe we have, especially on this part of the eye. There is a little bit of fallout, but that will, like with just brush, we will go. And the last step in this case, it's I want first actually to smudge a little bit more with another brush, and this is the Morphe for Jaclyn Hill. This small brush is the number 43. Take a little bit more of the black shadow, and I'm gonna use this one to smudge it down and to create even more that kind of smokiness, and it will help also to create that smokiness on the line, and you can go a little bit on the top as well. This one just really depends on you, depends how much you like the shadow to go down, if you feel comfortable with that or not. What I was saying as one of the last thing, it would be for you, if you like it, just to keep working with the going back with the small brush, just to working a little bit towards the very internal ear conduit. And you can have, if you want, you can also go back to your pencil and grab a little bit more of the color, and you can create that flick, let's call it that way, in your internal part here. That will create even more that kind of cat eye shape. And that's gonna be basically our tutorial, really. Now it just depends how much you want to have, you know, the blackness, and how much, sorry, you like to smoke that out. I like just to go back with the pencil and also line my internal top lash line, and then going back and do that again on the bottom. Obviously, because we are lining everything with the black color, we are basically creating a close effect. So your eye will look smaller, but at the same time it will look much more, how to say, sultry and kind of vampy, I don't want to say even elegant, it's just looking more sexy in a way. And that's really it. And if there is any mistake, really, you can just take a little bit of your concealer and clean up the line. So that's what I'm doing now. I will just go offline to do the other eye, and then I will come back for mascara. So both the eyes are done. That's the left one. I feel that is not, you know, it's not perfectly, yeah. You see, like every time that you do a makeup, then you just adjust, you just see how it's going, and you know, if you need to add any little review. So now what we can do, we can go on with the mascara. With this kind of makeup, it would be good to wear falsies. I am not really a fan of it, and well, I'm not a fan because I'm not really good at application, and then it's really bothering me. So I just go with first with my Charlotte Tilbury curler. Yes, that's how you call it, Marta. And on top of it, I am gonna go with the push-up lashes, still from Charlotte Tilbury. It depends, you know, which mascara you prefer. I find this mascara to be really good on giving me extra length and definition. Maybe it's not giving a lot of volume, but that's okay. I will go a second coat with the NARS. The NARS mascara, it's really good, and what I'm talking about the Extreme Climax is super good. However, I find that sometimes it smudge me, and that's something that I find it happen with a lot of mascaras, unfortunately, with me. It is what it is. I have to work with that. I don't think that's a bad mascara, or you know, I just think that sometimes the formula is not working with my skin, with my lashes. And that's the first coat. I really like to press and pull. And let's go with the second. Let's see how it goes on the right eye. So this is the Climax. This is for sure giving extra volume, and I don't want to add too much because then otherwise my lashes will go down, and this is not what we want. In terms of base, the base was done. What I use today, I'll tell you. So for my foundation, I use the Synchro Skin Self Refreshing by Shiseido, and this is the 230, the color. I used a little bit of the of the Nude Gas from Charlotte Tilbury for the contouring of the nose. I used the Louboutin blush, the coral one, and also the highlighter for my highlighting. And oh yeah, and as a finishing powder, I used, sorry, I'm doing a mess here, so I'm so sorry if I'm giving you too much trouble listening to it, the Ambient Lighting Edit Universe Unlock, and that's the powder that I used just as a finishing powder. The bronzer, the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer number 3. That's it. As a lipstick, oh, you know that I don't know what to do. I think a nude is appropriate in this case. So maybe we can go with the which one? Maybe we can go with the Natasha Denona. This is I Need a Nude in Amorosa. I feel that's appropriate. It's giving me the general vibe of almost like a 90s kind of makeup with lots of black and just a nude. Lips, let's look at the finish. This is the finish look, and I really hope that you like this look, and maybe you want to try. Please let me know in the comment if you will try, if you like this kind of look, if you like this kind of videos that are a little bit shorter. I am trying to understand what you like more, what you don't like, what you would like to see. Again, I want to thank everybody for your support. Please keep watching my videos, keep also subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot, and I talk to you soon. Ciao.